Let's install Unity. Go to unity.com/download website. Click Download for Windows. Unity Hub will be downloaded. Install Unity Hub. After login, we will see this window. Install Unity Editor. Choose first option Unity 6.1 recommended. Click Install button. You can see all the modules here. If you haven't installed Visual Studio before, you can select that module. I have already installed it, so that option is not available for me. Select Android Build Support module. You can skip other modules. Then click Continue. In this window, check Terms and Conditions box. Click Install button. You can see it is downloading here. Let's wait for it to finish. Installation have finished. You can explore Unity Hub. It have all these different tabs: Project, Installs, Learn, Community, Settings, etc. Let's create a new project. Click on the New Project button. In the options, let's select Universal 3D Template. Give the project a name, and click Create Project. You can see the project loading here. Here is the loaded project. Let's check if Visual Studio is connected to Unity. Let's create a new script file. Let's name it Test. Double-click to open it. If you can see this Visual Studio opened, then everything is working fine. If you have any problems, you can connect me in Discord and I will help you fix. See you all on tomorrow's workshop.